Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best screen protectors for the Galaxy Note 10 available on the market today. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, premium, or just the best all-around option, we've got you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Morgan. Coming in at number 4 is the Super Shield's 2-pack high-definition clear shield for the Galaxy Note 10. At $799, this option is slightly more expensive than the Morgan, but stands out for its excellent touch sensitivity and high-definition transparency. The Super Shield screen protector is made from high-quality TPU film, known for its flexibility and ease of installation. The real highlight here is its natural touch feel, which provides flawless touchscreen accuracy. Daily users will appreciate its ability to protect against minor scratches, dust, and scrapes, though it doesn't offer the same level of impact resistance as tempered glass. Unfortunately, this model is only compatible with the standard Galaxy Note 10, not the Plus version. So make sure you're purchasing the right size for your device. Ideal for those who want a simple, no-frills screen protector, the Super Shields offers decent value and reliable performance for everyday use. Pros: clear and precise touch response, easy installation, and good scratch protection. Cons: limited to the Note 10 standard model and lacks advanced durability features. At number 3, we have the Apiker 4-pack screen protector for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, priced at $9.99. This option is perfect for those who need multiple protectors and want to ensure long-term coverage for their device. The Apiker screen protector is made of soft TPU film, which not only supports the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, but also offers self-healing properties. Minor scratches or bubbles tend to disappear within 24 hours, making it an excellent choice for users who prioritize a pristine screen appearance. With a thickness of just 0.14 millimeters, the Apiker protector feels nearly invisible on your device while maintaining high-definition clarity. It's also water-repellent and compatible with most cases, so you don't have to compromise on your favorite phone accessories. However, like other TPU protectors, it's not as impact-resistant as tempered glass and might struggle against significant drops. This is a versatile option for Galaxy Note 10 Plus users who want maximum screen coverage and a forgiving installation process. Pros: self-healing feature, ultra-thin design, and excellent case compatibility. Cons: not as durable as tempered glass, and only for the Note 10 Plus. Claiming the second spot is another offering from Morgan, the 3-pack TPU screen protector for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. At just $6.99, this is one of the best value options available for the Plus variant of the Note 10. Like its counterpart for the standard Note 10, it features ultra-thin TPU material, ensuring compatibility with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. What sets this apart is the edge-to-edge coverage tailored specifically for the larger Note 10 Plus screen. Installation is a breeze thanks to its 4-layer construction, which minimizes bubbles and ensures a smooth application. The protector is also abrasion-resistant and oil-resistant, making it a great choice for users who frequently handle their phones. However, as with most TPU solutions, it's less durable than tempered glass and may not withstand heavy impacts. This screen protector is perfect for budget-conscious users who want solid screen coverage and reliable scratch protection. Pros: affordable, excellent screen coverage, and case-friendly. Cons: limited impact protection and slightly less durable than tempered glass options. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Geviajo 2+2-pack privacy screen protector for the Galaxy Note 10. Priced at $12.99, this is the premium option on our list, and it's packed with features that justify its price. The standout feature is its 28 degrees anti-spy privacy filter, which ensures that your screen is visible only to you. This is perfect for protecting sensitive information when you're in public spaces like buses or coffee shops. The Geviajo protector is made of 9H hardness tempered glass, offering top-tier durability against scratches and drops. It also includes 2 camera lens protectors for comprehensive device protection. The 3D curved edges ensure a seamless fit on the Note 10 screen, while the oleophobic coating minimizes fingerprints and smudges. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. If you want the ultimate in privacy, durability, and protection, the Geviajo screen protector is a no-brainer. Pros: privacy filter, excellent scratch and impact resistance, and includes camera lens protectors. Cons: higher price point and compatibility limited to the standard Note 10. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth comparison of the top 5 best screen protectors for the Galaxy Note 10. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews like this. And if you have any questions or recommendations, drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.